Hello guys, today we are going to see how to pay MCD property tax for Delhi. So first you have to go to Google. After that you have to search MCD, and after that the first link you can see here, that is mcdonline.nic.in. You have to click on this link. So after coming to this website, you will get one option here, pay your property tax and get 10% rebate. So you have to click here, or if you are not able to find this option, then simply you have to click on this online services. Then in the search bar, you have to search for property tax. After that you will get this option of property tax, and after hovering your mouse you will get two options. First is citizen login and second is old PTR view. So you have to click on citizen login. After that you have to provide the registered mobile number. So note down here, you have to provide only that number which has been registered in the MCD office. After that, you have to click on generate OTP. Then after that, you have to enter the OTP here and then click on login option. After that, you will get this kind of page, and then you have to click on actions and then go to pay tax option. After that, you have to click here. Then you have to select the year which you want to pay the tax. So I am selecting 2024 to 2025 and then click on submit option. So after that you will get this, that is there any modification change in the property. So if there is any change which was done in your property, so you can click on yes I want to edit before pay, otherwise just click on no I want to pay. So after that you will get all the details of your property, and now click on pay tax option. So now we have come to the payment page. So I am selecting here HDFC Bank for the payment, and you can select any bank. After that click on pay now. Here you can pay with your credit cards, debit cards, net banking, wallet, or even with UPI. So I am selecting debit cards. After providing your card details, you have to click on make payment. Then after enter the OTP and click on submit option. Then after that making payment, you can see my payment is successful. After following these steps you will be able to pay the property tax. So thank you for watching this video.